Hey guys, I'm Shibumi Jones. Thanks for joining in today. I hope you are doing well. Today I have some leftover rabbit. I sous vide some rabbit legs for another episode. So naturally we're going to make pasta. We're gonna do a pappardelle pasta, which is a thick cut flat noodle. That's really popular noodle to do with a rabbit. We're gonna make a rabbit ragu. Cook down some ingredients into a nice ragu, add the rabbit into it. It's gonna be a heavy, rich sauce. So that's why we're going to do a thick, strong noodle. The bigger, more substantial noodle you do pairs up to a heavier sauce. So the pasta dough that we are gonna use for this pappardelle is standard egg dough. We're only gonna use egg yolks and we're only gonna use 00 flour. A little tiny olive oil, a little bit of salt, but basically just egg yolks and 00 flour. I never use AP flour when I make pasta. If you make pasta with AP flour, you're probably wondering why your pasta tastes different than pasta you might get at your local Italian restaurant where they make handmade pasta. So without further ado, let's get started. It's very important to use a kitchen scale to measure out your amounts of flours and eggs for your pasta dough. In restaurants, they always measure everything out by weight. So for our egg dough, we're gonna do 150 grams of yolks. We're gonna make it firm because as you let it rest, more moisture comes out of the eggs, so it's gonna end up being a pretty flexible dough anyways. Just working it. You know, days like this, I don't need to go to the gym because I get enough workout with my pasta, right? And I don't wanna leave my pasta, go to the gym, and then come back to it. This is a piece of my heart, a piece of my love right here. So we're gonna let this pasta rest for 20 minutes. It might seem a little bit tough, but the egg yolks are gonna release more moisture as it rests, so it's just gonna get more and more flexible. So we let our pasta rest, and our egg dough is now a lot more flexible, more moisture has come out. It's nice and pliable, and so now we're going to roll out our sheets of pasta. We're gonna hand cut them. We're gonna put them on a tray. We're gonna use a hand crank pasta maker just because I'm really old school in that way. Also, I'm getting my workout through making pasta, and I also wanna eat it and relax and not go to the gym. So if you have a KitchenAid attachment, that works totally fine too. Just put it on the lowest setting. You know, keep track of your pasta so it doesn't go flying through there real fast. So I have this divided into 4 different portions. This has 9 settings on it right here. You control it from here. We're gonna go through 1 through 3, then we're gonna fold the dough back over on each other, and then we're gonna go from 1 to 9, and then once we get to 9, when we have a long pasta sheet, we're gonna fold it over so that we can make our pappardelle cuts, and then we're gonna put it on our sheet tray to rest before we put it in boiling water. All right, so here we go. We are at setting 9. As you can see, this sheet got much longer. So we're gonna carefully pass this one through. And 9 is the highest you have to go. Okay, so now we have our sheet. We have our sheet of dough. So we're gonna cut it. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. You want people to know that it's handmade. Yeah, so we got it all mixed in the semolina, and we'll make a nice little rose. And we're gonna do this 3 more times because we still have 3 more pieces of dough. Rabbit is super earthy. I like marsala. Obviously, I like marsala with rabbit, but it adds a little bit of sweetness. Rabbit's very mild meat. When I think of a rabbit, I think of it hopping around and hopping through mushrooms. And we're gonna make this sauce out of all fresh vegetables. We're gonna cook it down. It's gonna look a lot different than where we started, but it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Salting the water is really important in pasta making. You'll notice a huge difference in flavor just by adding salt and seasoning your water. So this is extremely important in pasta because this is how you season your pasta. So if your pasta, it shouldn't taste salty, it should just taste really, really good. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm just gonna add a pinch or 2. There we go. So that's good right there. It's like a little too salty. That's perfect for pasta. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It looks so good, but it's so beautiful. I don't want to eat it. It's so pretty. I don't want to eat it. No, I want to eat it. This pappardelle, it's not trying too hard. It's not trying too hard. It's just being itself. I'll be waiting for the call. Bon Appetit magazine, maybe Food and Wine. Hey, we want to give you the front page. This looks so beautiful. This rabbit pappardelle is incredible looking. That is so good. That is so good. Bon Appetit. If you want to call me, I will answer. Good.